Nendaba ihlangu simaqhapha sinamanxeba sagudla ivuna libumbene lesikhombisa ihora nazi indaba wena mbukeli wazana endlebe mina ngizozana indaba ngihlale kuzona ithondo naze ehamba phambili kusihlwa nje.
You cannot have the head of the legislature having allegations of corruption of this magnitude leveled against her.
Usomlomo wePhalamende uNosiviwe Mapisa-Nqakula usefaka incwadi ephuthumayo evimba imizamo kaShamila Batohi owumqondisi wophiko oluphenya amacala omphakathi kanye nongqongqoshe wamaphoyisa ubheka icele ukuthi bangaqhubeki nesinyathelo sokumbopha.
If I caused any offense to any person or organization, I also unreservedly apologize.
Ijaji lengameli icala lokubulawa kaSenzo Meyiwa lixolisile laphinde lahoxisa amazwi alumelayo lawasho malungana nabameli bebali elinsundu ngolwesithathu enkantolo ephakeme ePitoli. Usomlomo wePhalamende uNosiviwe Mapisa-Nqakula usefaka incwadi ephuthumayo evimba imizamo kaShamila Batohi owumqondisi wophiko oluphenya amacala omphakathi kanye nongqongqoshe wamaphoyisa ubheka icele ngokuthi bengaqhubeki nesinyathelo sokumbopha.
Okuqukethwe umqingo wamaphepha ezivimbelo esiphuthumayo sikaSomlomo uthi inhloso ngesicelo sakhe ukuvikela isithunzi nelungelo lakhe lenkululeko. uMapisa-Nqakula uthi ukusebenza kweNPA kanye namaphoyisa kufanele kuqhutshwe ngendlela ezohambisana nobulungiswa nakulowo osuke ehlonzwe njengomsolwa. Ufuna kugunyazwa nokuthi ithimba labameli bakhe lihlinzekwe ngamaphepha aqukethe uphenyo ngaye kanjalo nedokodo lamaphoyisa elinemniningwane yonke ngophenyo lwawo. uNosiviwe Mapisa-Nqakula ubhekene nezinsolo zokuthi wayefumbathiswa igidi zamarandi inkampani yayenza umsebenzi eminyangweni wezokuvikela ngesikhathi uMapisa-Nqakula esengungqongqoshe womnyango. Kusenjalo ihhovisi likaSomlomo wePhalamende selishicilele istatement liphikisa imbiko ethi uMapisa-Nqakula uboshiwe nokuthi uzinikele ngokwakhe emaphoyiseni. Liphinde laqinisekisa nokuthi usewafakile inkantolo ephakeme ePitoli amaphepha avimba ukuboshwa kwakhe.
Kusenjalo umkhandlu wezokuthuthukiswa komthethosisekelo kuleli usudalula ukuthi uSomlomo uNosiviwe Mapisa-Nqakula kumele ashenxe esikhundleni kwazise ubhekene nezinsolo ezibucayi futhi kumele ageze igama lakhe futhi kuvikelwe nesithunzi sePhalamende.
An institution remains functional until the election, and Parliament may have responsibilities to discharge in that time. And therefore, this is an important issue about the leadership of this institution. The Constitution makes provision that where the Speaker is not available, the Deputy Speaker assumes the responsibilities of that office, and that it would be entirely appropriate for the Deputy Speaker to now assume the position as the acting Speaker until such time as the current Speaker's legal woes are behind her.
So would you advise her to resign?
Totally. I think if she wants to act in the interests of this institution, to respect our constitutional democracy and the law enforcement agencies, that's the correct course of action for her to take.
Amaqembu ezombusazwe wePhalamende abuza ngekhefu elikhethekile lithathwa uSomlomo wePhalamende uNosiviwe Mapisa-Nqakula. uSomlomo uveze inhloso yakhe yokuthatha ikhefu elikhethekile izolo kusihlwa kulandela ukuhlasela kweNPA emzini wakhe.
iDemocratic Alliance ithi sekukaningi icela ukuba uSomlomo uNosiviwe Mapisa-Nqakula asule esikhundleni kuyimanje leli iqembu libhalele wonke amaqembu ezombusazwe okubalwa neANC ukuba axhase isiphakamiso salo sokungabethemba ubuholi bukaSomlomo.
It's not a personal fight against the Speaker. The fight here is about the integrity of this institution. You cannot have the head of the legislature having allegations of corruption of this magnitude leveled against her.
iFreedom Front Plus ithi makhula amathuba ukuthi uSomlomo akhishwe.
The special leave is nonsense. It doesn't exist. It's really in the hands of, right now, from a legal perspective, of the ANC and the Speaker's own sense of integrity and service to this country.
Wonke amalunga sePhalamende asebenza ngaphansi kwemithetho yokuziphatha enesithunzi.
It's a decision that we as Parliament must take, and if the decision is that we must bring a vote of no confidence, then so be it.
iDA ifuna kuvotwe esiphakamisweni sokungabethemba ubuholi bukaSomlomo ngaphambi kokuphelelwa isikhathi sakhe. Iqembu lithi noma yini engaphansi kokusula esikhundleni noma ukususwa kwelungu kuletha isithombe singesihle ePhalamende.
Ijaji lengameli icala lokubulawa kaNozinto Orlando Pirates neBafana uSenzo Meyiwa lixolisile laphinde lahuqisa amazwi alumelayo elawasho malungana nabameli bebali elinsundu lesithathu enkantolo ephakeme ePitoli. Ijaji uRatha Mkgwatleng labe linengekile ngesikhathi ummeli womsola wokuqala uadvocate Thulani Mngomezulu engalibhadi inhlobo enkantolo. Ukuphawula kaMkgwatleng kwabe kudweba isithombe sokuthi abameli bebali elinsundu bayehluleka ukuyiphatha ngendlela efanele.
Ukuphawula okulandelayo kwejaji uRatha Mkgwatleng akwenze ngolwesithathu yikho okumdalile amazinyo abushelelezi enhlanganweni yabameli bebali elinsundu iBLA.
Is this how lawyers, black lawyers, maybe we should just tell the truth. Is this how black lawyers behave? Yeah. Some of them, maybe I should qualify that.
I-Black Lawyers Association beyisicela umhlangano nejaji uMkgwatleng kepha-ke lenqaba ngenxa ukuthi leli cala lisaqhubeka. Namhlanje ekseni uMkgwatleng wahoxisile amazwi akhe.
Unreservedly, without any conditions, withdraw the comments which I made in that Wednesday afternoon because of the events that played out here. And also, if I caused any offense to any person or organization, I also unreservedly apologize.
Kube sekubizwa ke uChristopher Matlow onguchwepheshe ohlelo olugcina imininingwane emayelana nezomgwaqo kanye nezokuthutha kuleli inetis. uMatlow uphikise ubufakazi bomsolwa wokuqala uMoses Sibiya bokuthi wabe engekho eGauteng phakathi ka2013 no2015 kepha amarekhodi netis akhombisa ukuthi uSibiya wabhalisela ukwenza izincwadi zokushayela ngo2014 eBrakpan naseBoksburg.
The test date was on the 15th of September 2014. The test time was from 12 o'clock to 1 o'clock. The result is passed, authorized and issued.
uMatlow uphinde wadalula ukuthi emva kwezinyanga ezimbalwa kusoqongwe uMeyiwa umsola wesihlanu uFiso Kuhle Ntuli wabe eshayela imoto efana naleyo eyachazwa njengeyasetshenziswa ukubaleka emva kokudutshulwa kukaMeyiwa.
The Natis business registration number of is 9004670070228 and the lawful owner was Nakoma Fleet and Shuttle.
Icala ke lizobuyela enkantolo ngomsombuluko.
Mbukile sathi qoyitolo kanimobi sibuya sizokuphathela udaba oluthe.
It is not the role of any politician to tell His Majesty what his Prime Minister can and cannot say.
Umholi we-IFP uvele Nkosi Nhlabiso senxenxe ukuba kube nezingxoxo zokuthula phakathi kweqembu lakhe i-IFP kanye ne-ANC. Siyakwemukela mbukeli uma kusanda kungena udabeni oluphambili besibike ukuthi usomlomo wePhalamende uNosiviwe Maphisa Nqakula usefake incwadi ephuthumayo evimba imizamo kaShamila Batohi omqondisi ophiko oluphenya amacala omphakathi kanye nongqongqoshe wamaphoyisa ubheka icele ngokuthi bengaqhubeki nesinyathelo sokumbopha. Kusenjalo nobhala jikelele we-ANC ufikile Mbalula uthi umgomo wokushenqa kwamalungu eqembu anindekayo ezenzweni zenkohlakalo uzosebenza nakusomlomo wePhalamende uNosiviwe Maphisa Nqakula umegcina ngokutholwe necala ensolweni zenkohlakalo kanye nokugwazelwa imali evile eyigidini ezimbili zamarandi.
Uxinizelelo luyenyuka ngakuMaphisa Nqakula ukuba ehle isikhundleni sakhe kulandela izitsholo zobuqhophololo atyabe kwazona. Umbalula umemelela ukuba kuyekwe umthetho uhambe indlela yawo kulombandela. Mbalula uthi umbutho kaKhongolose awuzokukhusela namnye umntu obandakanyeka kwizitsholo zolwaphulomthetho.
You are facing these issues. You'll have to surrender yourself to the state and defend yourself. In as far as the ANC is concerned, we'll give you a chance to face those allegations without affecting the party. So there's no issue for us. If our speaker is affected by these issues, she will face, the law. And then the ANC, as far as the party is concerned, is very clear. You step aside to go and face those accusations and charges that you are faced as an individual.
Umbalula ukwazikhabile ingxelo ezithi lokho amaphisa nqakula ubanjiwe.
The speaker have written to me, have also engaged with me, and she have also engaged with the president. She have taken me into confidence in terms of what is happening in as far as those issues that are reported. But one of the things that are striking out of that briefing is that there is no warrant or any summon that has been served on the speaker in terms of arrest, as it has been widely reported in the country.
Umbalula uthi iqoqo eliphezulu le-ANC liza kudibana ngomvulo ukushukuxa lo mbandela. Ndingulubabalo Dada kwindaba ze-SABC eMonti.
Mbukela sikhumbuzeke ukuthi lezi ndaba ikhona ku YouTube na ku SABC Plus. Ngena kuzona uyicinga amagama athi SABC izindaba na kanjani lezi ndaba uzoyithola njengoba zinjalo. I-Action SA ithi kulungela ukwethula umqulu wayo wezethembiso zokhetho kusasa eLispark eGoli. Leli qembu lithi libheka inkulungwane zamalungu neqembu kusasa njengoba lizongenela ukhetho lukazwelonke okokuqala nqa kulonyaka.
I-Action SA yasungulwa ngonyaka 2020 kanti izoncintisana okhethweni lukazwelonke kuzo zonke izifundazwe. Leli qembu liyasebenzisana namanye amaqembu aphikisayo kanti futhi linethemba lokugudluza i-ANC.
Because of mismanagement, because of corruption, because of cadre deployment, I think it's an ideal spot. So we're going to really be briefing South Africa about the economic policies that each party is offering that obviously we share, and some of them that we don't share, we will obviously find common grounds post the election.
Kaphambilini uMashaba uveze ukuthi ithuba lezomnotho libalulekile kulinganeni ngaphakathi ezweni kusenjalo leli qembu lizokwethula isikhwama soxhaso.
This fund will achieve broad economic empowerment through investing in financing of education, skills development and capital for small businesses, and a variety of interventions designed to create opportunities where the BBB Act of 2003 has failed to reach.
Kulindeleke ukuba i-Action SA iphawule ngokuthuthukisa umnotho wakuleli kanye nomkhakha wezemfundo.
Umholi we-IFP uvele Nkosi Nhlabisa usenqenqa ukuba kube nengxoxo zokuthula phakathi kweqembu lakhe i-IFP kanye ne-ANC. Uhlabisa uthi isigameko sakamuva lapha abalandeli be-ANC behlaselwe kwaceza enyakatho nesifundazwe kumele sithathelwe phezulu futhi sithole ukugxekwa okukhulu. I-ANC isole i-IFP ngokuba wongqondongqondo abaphehla impi.
Imbangela yokuhlaselwa kwabeseka i-ANC ababethamele umcimbi wokubungaza isilo sesakhothama uDinizulu kwaNongoma ayicacile. Lo mcimbi wawuthamelwe isilo uMesizulu kaZwelithini kanye nomengameli wezwe umnumzane uCyril Ramaphosa. Umnumzane uRamaphosa ke wasigxeka lesenzo wathi izinhlaka zomthetho kumele ziphenye ukuthola izimpendulo. I-ANC ke yona kwaZulu Natal isole iqembu i-IFP ngokuba nesandla kulolu dlame. I-IFP iyakuphika ke lokho ithi kumele kusungulwe uphenyo olunzulu.
I therefore requested that our parties, ANC and IFP, nominate 3 members of our respective NECs, and these 3 assigned members will jointly facilitate the engagement of our PECs in KwaZulu-Natal, the ANC and IFP PECs, to ensure that we deliver the sustainable and desired results.
I-IFP iphinde yaxeka isenzo sikasihlalo we-ANC kwaZulu Natal umnumzane Siboniso Duma sokuphazamisa undunankulu wesizwe samaZulu umnumzane uThula Sizwe Buthelezi ngesikhathi ekhuluma kulomcimbi. Amakhosi nezinduna basigxekile ke nabo lesenzo kanti i-ANC esifundazweni yona iyamncoma uDuma ngalesenzo.
It is not the role of any politician to tell His Majesty what his Prime Minister can and cannot say.
Kusenjalo isilo uMsuzulu kaZwelithini usigxekile ke lesenzo sikaDuma esitatimendeni esikhishwe namhlanje ubayede uthele senzo sikaDuma sibonakala ke njengokususa uchuku sekusungulwe ithimba lamakhosi ayishumi ukuba lubhekisiswe lolu daba nginguSimphiwe Makhanya wezindaba zeSABC ngiseThekwini.
Izakhamuzi ezakhele iCosmos City ifuna umnyango wezokuhlaliswa kwabantu uxazulula udaba lokwabiwa kwezindlu zokuxhaso lukahulumeni lomphakathi obubamba imashi namhlanje wethula uhlu lawo lwezikhalo ezikhulwini zomnyango kahulumeni.
Lamalungu omphakathi akhala ngokuthi kunabantu osekuphele iminyaka ababhalisela izindlu kodwa namanje abakahlomuli. Kunalokho babona izindlu seyinikezwa abasanda kuzibhalisela abakwenze ezinyangeni ezimbalwa ezedlule.
There is an illegal organized allocation team which has no terms of reference to undertake their work. There is a serious queue jumping. There's the elderly who applied since 1996. They've been jumped. And then we are here today to stop people who are corrupt, people who are selling the units that belongs to the marginalized poor. So we want intervention today from the authorities to make sure that lawlessness is not allowed in our country.
Ongumholi womphakathi uthuselwe kakhulu efuna ukwabiwa kwezindlu kuqhutshwe ngendlela efanele kubekwe phambili labo ababhalisa kuqala.
Kuqala last year uallocate kwezizindlu kuse allocator pre-allocation. Yenziwe i-pre-allocation yafela khona ngoku abantu bayangena sebengena ngeke lento pre-allocation sesigqibile. For now sine problem no.
Ihhovisi lomnyango wezokuhlaliswa kwabantu lemukele incwadi yohlu lwezikhalo zomphakathi.
The way we operate is clear. There were a lot of issues that are being raised in the memorandum. There are corruption issues that are being raised, wrong allocations that are being raised. There are elderly people who form part, who came forward with their C forms or their approval in terms of their subsidies, who feel being marginalized by officials who were doing this work.
Lo mphakathi waseCosmos City ufuna izimpendulo esikhathini esingamasonto amabili kusukela manje.
Inhlangano yohulumeni basekhaya iSALGA isiyamukela isimemezelo sohulumeni waseNorthern Cape sokuthi uzobe seko umasipala badonsa kanzima phakathi kokunye umgcini mafa wesifundazwe uthe ukwelekelelwa kuzonikezwa omasipala abaninkinga neziphathelene nenhlelo ezithinta imali.
Sekuvele ukuthi omasipala abayisithupha kwabangama-31 esifundazweni bahlulekile ukuletha izitatimende zokusetshenziswa kwemali zonyaka ngesikhathi. Umasipala ithembelihle oseHope Town wona uthi unamabhuku aqondile. Nokho lo masipala ungomunye wabayishumi kulesifundazwe abavunyelwe ukufakwa ohlelweni lokusula kwezikweleti zabo ze-Eskom.
When we came in 2021 as the new EFF-led government in Tembelihle local municipality, we identified various transactions and expenditure that have been occurred in an irregular manner. And then what we did is we requested assistance, forensic investigation from National Treasury.
Ngesikhathi ethula isabelo mali sakhe sakamuva owengamele ezemali kulesifundazwe Abraham Foslo waveza ukukhathazeka ngamabhuku ezemali omasipala balesifundazwe. Wathi omasipala abaningi Northern Cape abakhombisa ukukhula kubacwaningi mabhuku. Uthi lokuhluleka ukunyusa amasoki sikunomthelela omubi ekusebenzeni kwalabo masipala.
As part of our ongoing commitment to good governance, we have heeded the need to strengthen municipalities on financial recovery services.
iSALGA isiyamukele lesibophezelo esimenyezelwe uhulumeni wesifundazwe ukulekelela omasipala abasotakwini.
We know that if we look in terms of just today, this reality, the economic outlook, not just for municipalities, but I think it is not so great, even from a country perspective.
Umgcini mafa wesifundazwe uthi ukwelekelela lokhu wona uzofakela izibuko okusetshenziswa kwayo yonke imali yomasipala nokuthi inqalasizinda ethengwayo yileyo edingekayo ukuze kungeke kumosheke imali.
Umnyango wezolimo ukwebiwa kabusha komhlaba kanye nokuthuthukiswa kwendawo zasemakhaya usunxephezele imizi engaphezulu kwama300 emanjengini eMthatha esifundazweni Eastern Cape. Lokho kuhambisana nokunxephezela umphakathi owasuswa emhlabeni wasexwili kanti bangaphezulu kwe1,980 abantu abazohlomula kwaze sekubekwe eceleni SABC isigidi engaphezulu kwe160 zamarandi.
Ibasuswa kumhlaba ongangehektha ezingama4,304 ngurhulumente wengcinezelo. Lonto yenza abantu bokhe kwindawo ezahlukeneyo. Lityeli lesibini eli kubuyekezwa amabango omhlaba ematyengqina.
Abokuqala ababalelwa ku200 namanani ngaphezulu. Namhlanje sibuyisela abayi300 ama-household ukuya phambili alabo bantu ababethintekile ngokuthi basuswe abanye okwacuthwa indawo zabo ukuze kuhlaliswe abanye ababesuswe emhlabeni yabo.
Hlali baphelelwa ngumonde kuba kubuyekezwa ngezigaba ezahlukeneyo.
Bona abantu abebepha phase 1 abashiyelelekileyo esisangcambaza nabo sibacelela baloku khanide niphendule nabaningeka abaniki.
Abanye bebengenamizi bavusa imizi, abanye bathatha abantu babo bebepha kulasi elidala babazisa kule ndawo bahlala kuzo.
Hlaleni ithi kuluvuyo ukubona abantu bephucula iimeko zamakhaya wabo.
Sikhuluma kakhulu kuba kaloku aba bantu bahlukumezeka ngexesha kuthuthwa kwindawo abekuzo beza kwindawo ezintsha besuke ezimfazweni.
Ndingunomzwanele Mngoma kwindaba ze SABC eMthatha.